नमस्कार मित्र. आज आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहूया ओरल एव्हिडन्स अँड डॉक्युमेंटरी एव्हिडन्स. There are two kinds of the evidence as per the Indian Evidence Act. One is a documentary evidence and second is a oral evidence. Documentary evidence means all the content of the document which is permitted by court to produce before the court for inspection of the court, that's called documentary evidence. And oral evidence means all the statement other than content of the document which is allowed by the court to witness to made before it, that's called oral evidence. There are two kinds of documentary evidence. Uh, First is a primary evidence and second is a secondary evidence. Primary evidence means document itself which is produced before the courts for inspection of the courts, that's called primary evidence. Primary evidence itself document with a original form, and secondary evidence means the evidence documentary evidence which is produced before the court as a copy of evidence rather than produce the original. But there are certain exceptions given under the Indian Evidence Act. Under the certain circumstances, the documentary evidence must be proved before the court by way of secondary. There are certain exceptions. In case the original evidence, documentary evidence, which is in custody of the party against whom it ought to have been proved. If the original is lost, if the original which cannot be easy to convey before the court and produced before the court as a evidence, or if original is a lost, if original which cannot be reached by the witness, or which is unreasonable